Hello all, this is my WEP 853D 3-in-1 solder station. It's got a 60 watt soldering iron and a heat gun, both are capable of 480 degrees. It also has a quite useful benchtop power supply. As you can see, this one's quite old. The soldering iron's been broken for a while now. I just put up with it. The heat gun also has a fault. Early on the fan speed decreased significantly. Later I accidentally damaged the power supply. In this video I'm going to fix one problem, attempt to fix another, and I'll explain why I'm not going to fix the third problem. First up, the easiest thing to fix, a replacement soldering iron. According to the eBay page, you need to make sure it's the correct iron for your solder station. Here it is. We'll just open it up and have a quick look. It's got a spring. The last one didn't have that. The plastic part seems a bit stronger as well. Hopefully it lasts longer than its predecessor. Let's turn it on and see if it works. Looks alright to me. Now for the power supply. I did try diagnosing the problem. It was just a mess, so I gave up on that idea. This is only part of it. It shares a front panel with the soldering iron and the hot air gun. Lately I've been using this DPS 3005, which I reviewed in a previous video. Check the link in the description. I hardwired a DC socket and some alligator clips on it. Later I'll make a video where I put it in a box and make it a bit nicer to use. But even as it is, it's quite portable and very handy for getting in shot on various videos. Now for the hot air gun. At first it worked very well. Then one day the fan speed adjustment didn't seem to do much at all. Just check the voltage. It's 26.6 volts maximum. The fan I got is 24 volts. Let's see if we can get this replacement to fit. I had to take the ears off with a grinder. Now we'll solder it in. Now time to reassemble. There's no improvement on the airflow. I'm opening up the airway, let a bit more air through. Hopefully that helps. Slight improvement. The cause of the problem is elsewhere, maybe the speed control circuit. Let's test it by removing some components. Here I'm heating up a USB port from the back. There we go. It's still quite effective even if the fan speed is slow. It didn't work out quite so well with this SATA port. It melted before the solder would. Final thoughts. Damaging the adjustable power supply was my fault, but that doesn't change the fact that this thing is too big and bulky. It weighs a few kilos. In hindsight, I would have been better off buying 3 separate units. Just think, if you have to carry your soldering iron somewhere, you have to bring the hot air gun and power supply with you. The hot air gun is hardwired and can't be unplugged. For a hobbyist, I recommend buying 3 separate units. I wouldn't use these professionally. There's better brands out there like Weller or Hacko. They wear out and break as well, but they should last longer than one of these, so it's money well spent. That's it for this video. Do you use one of these? Or do you recommend something better? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks for watching.